right, guys, we are back after 2 long weeks of trucking. I have the hood popped. Since this thing was hydro-locked, this is tough to say what's gonna happen. See that my cam lobes, that bottom piece there's rust inside. There's rust inside my cylinder head. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to start this thing up and see if she runs. I'm gonna get some heat going through the engine. Keep in mind, we have started this car 3 times since the hydro lock. As of right now, this car runs. Obviously, you guys know water and metal components don't mix well as water with oil. So I did pull my dipstick out and I'm running some fresh, clean Castrol Edge. Shout out to Pops. He changed the oil for me real quick because I was out on the road for 2 weeks. If I let this car sit for 2 weeks with the amount of water that it had in it, it would be done. Goal is to try to make it home today. I have an hour drive. I'm in Massachusetts now, hour drive long to Connecticut. I'll show you guys where the whole accident happened and everything like that. Shout out to my cousin Josh. Always a huge help. Every time I have a question, he always answers it with knowledge. Myron, you think it's gonna start?
Yeah. Yeah, I know it's gonna start.
Here goes nothing, right? I guess if it's gonna start, it's gonna start. God, dude, I am so nervous. So in regards to getting the water out, the fastest way I did it was we removed the spark plugs, I removed the throttle body, the intake, I drained my PCV valve in the corner, I shoved paper towels in the manifold to try to get as much as the water out as I could. And then like I said, we got the my Pops and we took the spark plugs out and we drained the oil. So in terms of if this is going to save the engine, I have no idea. The thing is, it's running, but the question is for how long. All right, so here's where it went down, guys. Here's the whole incident. I came up to about right here. I stopped. The water was pretty deep and I pretty much thought I can make it. Well, come to find out, it was deeper than I thought. So I went and the car literally died right here. I made a really stupid decision and I'm admitting that, but it also doesn't help that I had a cold air intake on in these conditions. All right, you guys already know the deal. I am about to just put 10 bucks in this baby, see what happens. It's been sitting a while. Maybe I think it's running weird just because the fuel is a little bit old in it. Yo, this is the most awkward fuel pump I've ever seen. What the hell? Do 12 bucks, how about that? We'll do $12. There we go, 13. Got my green tea, got my pizza, and we are heading off home right now. I think this is the most nervous drive I've ever had so far. Yo, I'm being the ultimate fatty right now, but I'm just trying to stay positive. That's really all it is, guys. want to say it feels a little bit less powerful, but like I also haven't drove it. I don't know. Going onto the highway now, boys and girls. Can you guess what? That's right, made it home. We made it home in one piece. That's all that matters, guys. Little update, I got on it a little bit. I washed it and it seems to be, I'm not gonna say anything right now, but just know I made it home. Tomorrow I gotta go to Walmart tonight. I'm gonna get some oil real quick just to drain this stuff out. I'm gonna put some Castrol Edge in it, and then so I'll drain this oil out, change my spark plugs. I have brand new spark plugs, and then this car is due for a retune, so I have to put I got a new O2 sensor here, put that on, and then do some data logging tomorrow. I have no idea how long this car is gonna run, given the way the issues that it had and the amount of water that it sucked up. But for right now, she got home, so I'm very excited. I'm very happy that we made it this far. Could have been a lot worse, but anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Let's talk a little bit about the claim that I submitted real quick, and then I need to go in and shower. I need a much needed shower, and I got to start unpacking stuff. So in terms of the claim, guys, I am super grateful that I have full coverage insurance. I keep looking over here, I don't know why. I am grateful that I have full coverage insurance because they cover flood damage and any type of natural water damage with the vehicle, and that was basically what it was. I called my insurance company. I said, look, I was on a dead-end road and I was coming to the end of the road. There was a massive puddle and it was deeper than expected, so I tried going through it, and the car pretty much shut off basically what it did. Make a long story short, talked to my appraiser, Lee, super cool dude. He's like, look, if it needs to go to the shop, you are only responsible for like the $400, and they'll cover everything else after. The next step is he had to come out to my car. I left the keys. He came out, looked at the car, and he started the thing, and he literally told me, he's like, look, man, I'm giving you the okay to drive it. And I said, yeah, but what if I drive it and it blows up or something? He's like, look, your claim doesn't expire. All you need to do is make a phone call to us, and we'll take it from there. So he did say my two options that I basically have if anything happens to this car as of right now are, one, depending on how much they base the value on, I can possibly get an engine put in by a reputable shop of my preference, or should I say a used engine put in at a shop of my preference, or they would basically claim it as a total loss and just give me a write-off on how much they think this thing would be worth. Like, I love this car to death, guys. I've been through so much with this thing. I would hate to see anything bad happen to it, but unfortunately, I did make a decision that I regret, and I can't go back. So it is what it is as of now. I basically still have my K20. I have my other FG2 here, which is mint. So, I mean, I have some good stuff going for me, literally. So if this engine does decide to go, if my K24 does decide to like blow up or whatever, I'm just gonna focus on my old K20, start rebuilding that, drop that in here, and I'll see what I can do in terms of that. But I want to start rebuilding my K20 on the side, and then I have options. Like, I don't just have to like be stressed out because I have one SI. I hope you guys enjoy the update, guys. I'm really excited. I was literally stressing over for 2 weeks coming home to this thing. Shout out to all the haters. It was funny. I dropped the IG post. Some comments were hilarious, like, dude, this is the stupidest thing you could do, and did common sense, man, blah blah blah. And I was just laughing so hard. It's just like, what would you do if you were in my shoes? you know. But anyways, that's besides the point. Whatever. Thanks for everything. Make sure you guys like the video. Drop all your comments down below. I want to know if you guys hydrolocked your engines before. If you did, let me know what happened. And be sure to subscribe for more content. I know it's been slow lately, but I'm going to be putting more stuff out. Thank you all for 30K. Let's get to 50K. I want to do another giveaway. Not sure what it's going to be yet, but I'm going to plan for a giveaway at 50K, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.